Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money online selling ebooks without writing them. The platform that we'll be using to sell our ebooks and to start making some money is none other than Amazon, as Amazon is one of the most popular e-commerce and overall one of the most popular websites around. Not only do persons go onto Amazon to buy daily products, but they also go onto Amazon to buy ebooks, as it's one of the most popular platforms for persons to go on to purchase ebooks. The niche that we'll be focusing on is the weight loss niche, as I believe that the weight loss niche and overall the diet niche is one of the most profitable niches you could go in. For example, if you were to go onto Amazon and type in how to lose weight for the last time, you can simply scroll down, and by the way, by the time you type in how to lose weight, you can see numerous keywords that persons are searching for or have searched for in the past, so you can use those if you would want to title your ebook. If I should scroll down, you can see examples of persons selling ebooks for $2, for $23, all different prices, and you can see that they are making money. For example, this person is selling their ebook for $2.99, let's say $3, and you can see that they have sold over 67 thus far, as you can see the reviews right there. And remember, it's not everyone that purchases an ebook will leave a review, so you can just imagine the amount of sales that they are making. Now I'll be showing you how to do this without writing, as it's actually quite simple. The first thing you will need to do, you're going to go onto a website by the name of FreePLR downloads, and this means that you'll be able to download a free ebook that you are able to customize and upload on any platform without having to worry about any copyright strike or anything like that. And by the way, I'll be showing you how to customize your ebook so that persons will purchase it. So first, you're going to go onto freeplrdownloads.com. Once on freeplrdownloads.com, you're going to tap on the search bar right here, and from here you're going to type in weight loss, as you can see that I have done, and you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, I would recommend that you select any one of the top 3 books, as you can see right here. For this one, for this example, I'll be selecting this one right here. And once you have selected the ebook, you can simply scroll down all the way down, and you are going to tap on download. And after downloading the ebook, you are going to go onto this website by the name of visme.co. And visme.co is the website that we'll be using to customize our new ebook, and you can do this for completely free. Once on visme.co, you are going to simply tap on sign up, and it's quite easy to sign up, as all you'll have to do is simply enter your email address, and that's it. After you have done that, you are going to tap on create, and after tapping on create, you are going to select documents. And once you have selected documents, you will be redirected to this page right here, on which you are going to tap on create your free document. And tapping on create your free document will redirect you to this page, and you are going to simply type in the search bar ebooks, and you are going to select ebooks. After selecting ebooks, you will be given a list of templates that you can choose from. So just give it a few seconds to load up. Then you can simply select from the templates. Let me scroll down. You can see the different templates right here. Like how we are going in the health and fitness niche, I would recommend that you select something in that niche also. For example, this one right here. So let's tap on edit. After selecting edit, and once it has loaded up, we're going to upload the file that we have downloaded earlier. That is the free PLR book that we had downloaded earlier. You are going to upload it to Visme, and you can simply edit it. So for example, you could change the font style. You can also change the cover of the ebook, and it's as simple as that, as you can see right here. Their user interface is very easy to work with. You are going to come down to the bottom left hand corner and you are going to select My Files. Then you would simply tap on Upload and you are going to upload the ebook that you had downloaded. And once you have done that, you can simply edit it, as you can see right here, to your liking. And you can change the name. It's quite easy to do. You can customize the name. You can change the font style, as I said earlier. If you don't like the pictures, you can change the pictures also. So you can change the background. You can change the color. There are numerous things you can do. And after you have done all of that and it is to your liking, you'll simply tap on Download. And once you have downloaded your new ebook, you are going to type in Amazon KDP and you will be redirected to this page right here. And from here you are going to sign up, and it's quite easy to sign up. It only takes a few minutes, and after you have signed up, you will simply upload your ebook, and that's it. Hopefully you will be getting some sales soon. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.